Tumakbo na nga. Uy! Bawal dyan! Wow! Run! 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 May dog! Run! 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 We're gonna use the A7 for nag-spotting na po si Bibi. What's that?
What's that?
It's seals.
Seal.
Galing ah.
How does the seal sounds like? Pana?
Checkin na kami kasi sunod-sunod na yung contraction na baby. How you feeling, baby?
Sleepy.
Idol niya daw po ngayon si Tanjiro. Oh, Sunfire.
Tulog ang mga boys natin. Hi, baby. Oh, he's smiling. Tulog din ang daddy. Sexy, oh. Sabi ko sa kanila after ko mag-give birth, gusto ko first meal ko sushi kasi I didn't have sushi for 9 months.
Ayun sa atin.
Ang sarap!
Serve the
Yay!
embrace baby. Yay! You embrace baby. Hug baby. Yay!
Yay!
Ay, my God.
Yay!
Yes!
Baby.
First ride ni baby sa car. Ayun sa. Oh, tulog.
B-boy.
Zorin?
Zorin. This is my another son and no more. What's up, you all? So me and Sensen's gonna go hiking today. See, naka-sombrero siya. Oh yes, we almost here. But anyways, this is my first time gonna try out the Laika outdoors. So, yep, dito na kami sa dagat at maglalakad na si Sensen. Huh? Rocks? Step. Step. Let's go. Can I take a picture of you? Wait. So, let's take a photo of that. Ooh, is that a bird? See? Re-reklamo na siya, guys. You tired? Ashdina, we're almost there. We're almost there, baby. Konti kembot pa. See, the car is right there, oh. The car. Anyway, you all. Pagod na ang aming pare ko, eh. So, ayun, yun na po. Maglakad. Nana. Nana, water? Nana, kasi pagod ka na, eh. Uwi na tayo. Yo, Nana.
Water.
Wala na water, yeah. Uwi na tayo. Oh. Shot. Ito pa yung breast milk niya. Take a shot.
Ready?
Ready? Cheers.
Tikman mo hindi yung
No. No.
The last shot nga eh.
Shot nga, eh, di ba?
Oo,
Okay.
okay. Good. Oh, ayan. So, kaya susunod. Shrap.
No. Ba't nagustuhan ng baby yun?
No, siguro kasi yun na yung na-frozen na matagal.
Damn, that's not good.